Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Strolling Diaries. In this video, we will give you a tour of hotel where we stayed in Dubai. We stayed at George Hotel by Saffron in Creek, Dubai, which is a 3-star property. Here is the reception area and it also has a great nightclub. Now we are entering in our room, which is a city view room that cost us around 4800 rupees per day. Here we got twin bedroom as with city view only this room was available. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.